Worried about acne, stubborn pimples, red marks, even enlarged pores? Plus, you can't just use any product, so it's even more stressful, right? Don't worry. I've prepared the perfect basic routine for friends with acne-prone skin. From cleansing to sunscreen, I've gathered only the real must-haves. Shall we break down those skin troubles? Let's go. Step 1. Makeup cleansing. Every skincare routine starts with cleansing. The first product that I'm introducing is the Skin Chonsa Madagascar Centella Hyalu-Cica Gentle Cleansing Milk. This cleansing milk is super mild, but it wipes makeup away completely. With Madagascar Centella extract and 8 kinds of hyaluronic acid, it strengthens the skin barrier while keeping it hydrated. It melts away makeup and sunscreen without irritation, so after washing, your skin feels comfortable and never dry. And because it's a low irritant cleanser, even acne-prone skin can use it with confidence. So let's start cleanly without irritation. Step 2. Second cleanse. Once you finish the first cleanse with the cleansing milk, now it's time for the really important second cleanse. That's why I brought the mixsoon Centella Cleansing Foam. This one is a huge recommendation. It's packed with 32.8% Centella extract, so it's amazing for soothing the skin. The foam is rich and bouncy, clearing away impurities and sebum deep in the pores. Yet, your skin still feels hydrated without tightness after washing. What's more, it's mildly acidic, which helps balance your skin's pH and keep it healthy. For acne-prone skin, cleansing gently but thoroughly is the most important thing, so I highly recommend this one. Step 3. Time for toner. When cleansing is finished, now you need to smooth your skin texture and fill it with moisture, right? The third product I'm introducing today is Round Lab 1025 Dokdo Toner. It contains ulungdo deep sea water, which provides the skin with a deep mineral moisture. It's a very mild product, but it clears away unnecessary dead skin. With low irritation, it makes the skin texture smooth and fully hydrated. So it's a holy grail item not only for acne-prone skin, but for all skin types. If wiping toner feels burdensome for your skin, transfer it into a mist bottle and use it as a facial spray. Or soak a cotton pad and use it as a mask. Anyway is okay. Step 4. Serum time. Now it's time to give your skin both soothing and hydration at once. The fourth product is the DR.G Red Blemish Clear Serum. DR.G is already so well known for their products, right? This one is even called the nation's soothing serum in Korea. It works especially well for acne-prone skin that's sensitive and easily irritated. With Cica ingredients and 8 types of hyaluronic acid, it provides both soothing relief and deep hydration. If you struggle with redness or heat in your skin, you absolutely have to try this. Your skin will quickly feel soothed and cooled. Step 5. Cream time. Once you've calmed your skin with serum, it's time to finish by strengthening the skin barrier. The fifth product is the PURITO Seoul Mighty Bamboo Panthenol Cream. I actually showed this one in one of my earlier videos for dry skin types. It's that much of a hydration bomb. Just like the name says, it contains 72% bamboo water plus a generous dose of Panthenol, making your skin feel hydrated and strong. When the skin barrier weakens, breakouts appear more easily. This cream strengthens damaged skin barriers and helps your skin defend itself. On top of that, it's a low irritant cream, safe even for sensitive skin. So I highly recommend it for friends with acne-prone skin. Step 6, and the final step, sunscreen. The finishing touch to skincare, it's sunscreen. The last product I'll introduce is the KAINE Green Fit Pro Sun. Acne-prone skin has to be extra careful with sunscreen. Use the wrong one and you'll see even more breakouts. But this sunscreen is a combination of a chemical and physical sunscreen that applies smoothly and feels hydrating. No white cast and no stickiness. It's packed with soothing ingredients like Centella extract and green Cica complex. So it's gentle enough for sensitive acne-prone skin. While calming irritated skin, it also perfectly blocks both UVB and UVA rays, an absolute staple if you've got acne-prone skin. It leaves a non-greasy finish, so your makeup stays put and looks smooth. Don't forget to apply sunscreen every single day for full protection. Alright, so that's my full basic routine for acne-prone skin, from cleansing all the way to sunscreen. How was it? If you try these one by one, your skin will seriously become healthier and clearer than ever. You know, consistency is the real key, right? Don't give up. Let's build healthy, glowing skin together. I'll be back next time with even more tips to share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!